Find the volume of a right circular cylinder with a hemispherical top. Okay, so we have a half of a sphere on the top, don't we? So the volume for a sphere, and this is volume we're talking about, not surface area. So we're not talking about just painting the outside like surface area. We're talking about volume like filling it up, filling up the whole inside with water or gasoline or air or something like that. So the volume formula for a sphere is 4/3 pi r to the third. Let's bring down the half because we just have half of a sphere. Now, in addition to that, we also have the cylinder as the sides here, right? So we have the cylinder. So what's the volume for a cylinder? Pi r squared h. And we need to add those together. So let's start over here. So a half times 4/3 pi. And what's the radius? The radius is from the middle to the edge, so the radius must be 20. Because 40 is all the way across, radius being from the middle to the edge of a circle, must be 20 cubed. 2 goes into 4 2 times, so this is 2/3 pi. 20 cubed, take your calculator, 20 times 20 times 20 is 8,000. Put this over 1, 2 times 8 is 16,000 over 3 times 1, 3 pi. Now the other part is pi r, again, is 20 squared times the height. Now what's the height? Well, the height is over here. So the height there equals the 70. So times 70. That's going to be pi times 400, 20 times 20 times 70. And that's, what's that, 4 times 7 is 28, then 3 zeros, because there's 1, 2, 3 zeros, pi, 28,000 pi. Now we need to add those together. To add those together, we need a common denominator. So put this one over 1 and multiply top and bottom by 3. That'll make this denominator match that denominator, so we can combine them. So bring this one down, 16,000 over 3 pi, no changes there. The other one, it's going to be 3 times 28, what's that, 60, 24, 84,000 over 3 pi. And now we can combine those together. That equals, if you add these numbers, 16,000 and 84,000, it's 100,000 over 3 pi. There we go. And the units on that, it's volume, centimeters, so it's cubic centimeters because volume is always cubic units. And so there we go.